Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I just discuss about how to remove this debug banner. Okay. So how to remove this banner from your application? For that, here in Material app, after that you just write debug. That's debug show checked mode banner. Okay. That's after that here you just write false. And if you write true, then it will be stayed, and if you write false, then it will be removed. After that, the code is here, and then I run this application. Okay, this my app firstly, and then after run this application will be remove it. The app is run and is starting to installing, resolving dependencies. After some time, it's just run. Okay. Okay, and that's the application, and here the banner is removed. So that's the process of remove your banner from debug banner, okay, from your application. So you can try it, and thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.